Hey, all right, so let me get you. So this is gonna be fun. I threw everything under here, I don't know, like a week ago. Got COVID and then other life things happened, so they're all bone dry. I can't put handles on bone dry stuff. So we're gonna try something. It's either gonna work or it won't. Either way, it's gonna be fun. Check it out. All right, so I got just a bucket with a lid. I'm gonna have one side in this very clean thing that has holes all in it, right? So moisture should suck up. So I'm gonna put some on that and then elevate it on some little pyramids. I have just a block of wood. So to the bucket, I'm gonna add like, I don't know, half a gallon of water. Just cause that's what's there. Kind of makes me need to pee. And then I'm just going to start stacking everything in there. Handles I don't care about, but there's a couple pots in there that I really like and don't want to have to, you know, reclaim them because, well, I like them. So let's stack. Will be a vase. I'm not a vase, the hell you call that? Pitcher. Alright, so not a whole lot in there, but just enough. So everything's bone dry. We're going to see how long it takes to make those usable again. Or at least so I can put handles on stuff. And hopefully trim a little bit. Alright, stick around. I'll update every now and then. So day one, half gallon of water in a pot or in a bucket. All right, so I should spray those. The only problem is the only sprayers I have bad chemicals already in them. So I got to go get a new little spray jug tomorrow. But right now they're just going to sit and we're going to see how that works out. Well, until tomorrow and then we'll check it out.